Alright, so I wanted to show you something real quick, okay? So, Microsoft Windows Home. This is Windows Home is on here, right? Now, look at the memory management on Windows Home, right? That's more than half the amount of available memories used up by Windows Home, right? This is why Windows Home is such a crappy version of Windows. If you have Windows Home on your computer, you want to update it to Windows Professional, right? There's nothing running in the background, all right? Nothing, absolutely nothing. All right, but yet still is using up 76% of my available memory on the system. All right, so I'm gonna upgrade it to Windows Pro. All right, I'm gonna show you what a difference that will make in your memory management system. All right, just watch. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back after I finished updating Windows. As you can see already, look at this. I went from 70-something% to 67%. All right. Same settings running, same task manager running. And let me go to performance. As you can see, just the same settings, right? 67% memory running. And I'm using a 5.2 megabytes of memory versus the whatever this. I'm down more percentage of memory usage. So, which show you my point. Windows Pro has a way better memory management system, way better processor usage, way better disk usage, and it even handles your GPU and Wi-Fi performance even better than Windows Home. So if your computer's running like garbage and you want to know why, it's because you're running Windows Home. Watch this. Look how fast this program launches, and anybody who have anyone of y'all who run Digital Factory, CAD-Link, know how long this program takes to launch, right? Look at this. Look how quick this program is going to take to launch. That's how fast the program launches once you start running Pro, because it has such a way better memory management system that the program don't have to struggle to load. Everything runs better. The program just operates and runs a lot smoother. Again, you don't have to believe me, as you see, it just runs better. All right. Oh, before I get to the end of this video, I just want to interject here. Make sure you don't update your Windows to Windows Pro before you give your computer at least 2 weeks, just to make sure that you want to keep the computer before you upgrade it. Because once you upgrade it, that Windows key goes with the computer. It's not yours to keep. It goes with they license the computer, not you. Okay, so that key is just for the computer. I know you may be saying, man, but Windows Pro is so expensive. I know. I understand. I know it's expensive. But I'm not trying to tell you to upgrade to Windows Pro or nothing like that. I'm just trying to put out information out there. Okay? To let y'all know that the reasons why y'all computer is probably running like garbage and crashing all the time is because Windows Home is such a horrible, terrible piece of Microsoft software. And this is why when people complain about Microsoft, they're always complaining about the same version of Microsoft. It's not Microsoft Pro they complain about, it's Microsoft Home they complain about. But because they're so closed-minded, I'm going to leave it there. They always think it's just Windows is a problem when it's not Windows is a problem. It's just one version of Windows is a problem. Windows Home. I don't use Windows Home. Every time I get a computer with Windows Home on it, I upgrade to Windows Pro. That's just an automatic thing that I do. I get a computer, I put Windows Pro on it. I never use Windows Home. I can't stand it. It's just, to me, it's the worst piece of OS Microsoft ever released on every version of Microsoft. Microsoft XP 7, 8, 10, 11. Dating all the way back. Microsoft have always just the lower version of Microsoft have always been just the worst piece of just technology. They take, and the reason why is that they take so much out of it. They got those lower OSs version of the OS so much that they, as far as I'm concerned, they're just rendered useless. Okay, and that's why they're so bad. So if you want to stop having problems with your PC, start using the pro versions. I know it costs money. It's I know. I know, I get it, I understand it. But stop using Windows Home version, Windows whatever versions. Go pro straight out of the box. Don't stop anywhere else. No enterprise, no nothing. Just go straight to pro. Trust me, it will save you a ton of headaches.